Çok korkuyorsun.
And the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning. A poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing she don't need, it's another little hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? Child is a happy man. You're gonna be an angry young man someday. Well, take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? Or do we simply turn our heads and look the other way? And the world turns. And a hungry little boy with a ruddy nose plays in the street as the cold wind blows in the ghetto. And this hummingbird, so he starts to roam the streets at night, and he learns how to steal and he learns how to fight in the ghetto. Then one night in desperation, the young man breaks away. He finds a gun and steals a car, tries to run but he don't get far. And his mama cries as the crowd goes running, angry young man face down on the street with a gun in his hand in the ghetto. As the young man dies, on a cold and gray Chicago morning, another little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cries in the ghetto.